Okay, guys, our official debate topic of the day is birds. Which bird is the coolest?
Definitely the pelican.
Because it has a huge mouth just like you?
No, because of the way they scoop fish, just like how I like to scoop them by the fishy pussy.
Okay, that's fucked up. I'm going to have to go with the peregrine falcon.
Ducks!
I was in the middle of saying that.
Ducks are the best!
Ducks are stupid, Joe.
Okay, I'm bringing in an expert on this.
Well, hello there, boys. Let me teach you all a little bit about ducks.
Who the hell is this guy?
Why, I'm none other than the one and only Hugh Neutron, master of ducks and pie.
Joe, I'm kicking this weirdo out of the chat.
Now you just wait just a minute.
So anyway, as I was saying, the peregrine falcon is the fastest bird.
Nobody cares, nerd.